Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to solve the Total Eclipse puzzle by Oscar van Deventer. This puzzle was made by Puzzle Master, the link will be in the video description. The objective of this puzzle is to take it apart and then put it back together. Inside this cage we can find two rings, the golden one and the silver one. We need to remove them. If we look closely at this cage, we can find the part with two grooves. Here is it. We need to align the golden ring the way it will come out, like this. Now we can remove the golden ring. Partly, it's not fully removed, but anyway. Now we need to do the same with the silver ring. Now we need to join them again, but outside the cage. Like this, and put the silver ring inside the cage again. Now we can rotate the golden ring and take it out from the silver ring. Here is it. Now we can freely move this ring around the cage. Now the ring is in the lowest position, here is the entrance. Now we need to rotate this ring, so this part will go down and this part will go up. Here is it. And now we can go up and remove the ring. Now we can do the same with the silver ring. Now we need to rotate it. And now we can go up. The puzzle solved. Let's put it back together. Now we need to join these two parts. First we put the golden piece inside the silver one, and now we remove the silver piece. Now we should join them again. Put the golden piece inside. And now we can put the silver piece inside. And the puzzle is solved. And the puzzle is assembled. Subscribe my channel to see more videos about different puzzles.